So I printed new inductor plates, plate holders, and I printed them relatively solid. So I've got my new plates on, and I can produce a little bit more voltage with them. Unfortunately, check this out. Well, you can't quite see it there. Now this is the best example, but this is happening all over those capacitors. My capacitors cannot handle the voltage I'm trying to make them handle. But this is the result. It's not bad. That's like a 1.5 centimeter gap. It's about the most these capacitors are going to let me build in terms of voltage. Alright. Hey, so I also figured that I want to show you guys something cool that usually only I get to see. And let me maneuver my hand here. So something that normally only I get to see is this. You can see that coronal discharge. Well, hopefully you can see that coronal discharge, the purplish glow. It's so cool. I love watching it.